So my name is Roopa and I'm in the order of Zeus. So the order of Zeus has clearly not survived, and the order was destroyed by Theodosius I, who abolished the Olympic Games, and under his grandson Theodosius II. So according to ancient myth, Zeus himself indicated the building spot of this altar by striking the ground with a thunderbolt. So the altar was not only a feature of a temple setting, but it was a principle in animal sacrifice. It is believed that the altar was not constructed out of stone, but organic materials such as bones and ash that accumulated from hundreds of years of sacrifices to the god Zeus. One of the only literary accounts that we have describes that the structure is from Pausanias in the 2nd century CE. He recorded that the altar was over 7 meters high and consisted of a platform which was about 3 meters high. A narrow staircase carved into the ash led to the top. The sacrifices took place on the platform, and the priest took the legs of the animals to the top and burnt it. The ash of the burnt offerings and of the hearth in the house of magistrates was mixed with the water of Alpheus into a kind of paste and added to the altar. On the 3rd day of the games, which is supposed to be the greatest sacrifice which took place, is the 100 oxen one, is also supposed to have taken place at the altar of Zeus. And the second thing that I'm talking about is Heracles, which we mostly know as Hercules, which is the Roman adaptation of his name. He was the illegitimate son of Zeus and Alcmene, and that's one of the reasons why Hera hated him a lot. So he was known for his strength, courage and honor. So once driven mad by Hera, Heracles killed his own children, and because of that he had to carry out 10 labors set by his arch enemy Eurystheus. If he succeeded, he would be purified of his sin, and his myth says he would gain immortality. Eurystheus, however, did not accept 2 of the tasks that Heracles did, because he said, one, you got help from someone, and the second one, you got pay for your labor. So he gave Heracles 2 more tasks. So that turned into Heracles' 12 labors, which is what he's most popularly known for. Some of the labors that he succeeded in was slaying the Nemean lion, slaying the 9-headed Hydra, and capturing the golden hind of Artemis, among other things. After his death, he ascended as a god to Olympus, and he finally reconciled, and Hera actually gave him her daughter Hebe to marry.